Hey, what's up, Troy?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Dude, today we're gonna work on drop-ins to get you more confident and help everybody else get a better understanding of how they work.
All right.
You ready?
Good. Yep.
Let's get it.
Go. Okay.
All right, everyone. When beginning to learn your drop-ins, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna practice what I call up and downs. So you're gonna take your skateboard, put your back foot on the tail, make sure you control your tail with the balls of your foot. Remember, the balls of your foot are right here. So we're gonna put the balls of my foot on the tail, put my front foot up, and I start to lean my head over my front foot gentle as I lean my weight towards my front foot. And right when I lean and I feel my board starting to tip, I continue to bend down when my wheels touch the ground. Now, the bending down after your wheels touch is the most important part of your drop-in, and that is a big part of what a lot of people miss when learning. Once you get confident and comfortable with that, I want you to move up to a bank ramp. Now we're gonna do the same motion, but I want you to start with your wheels about 6 inches back from the beginning of the bank ramp, so that when you do your drop-in, your board will stall for a second, and it gives you time to bend down and into your pump as your back wheels go over the edge, just like this. Now that you got that comfortable, we're gonna add to it again by sliding our back wheels closer to the edge and try it again. Our goal is to get the back wheels over the edge of the ramp. We're gonna help finesse that by changing the position of our back foot. So I'm gonna stand on my tail just like how I do an ollie, so that half of my foot is on the board, so I can feel the arch of my foot on the edge of the tail. This allows me to stand with my body weight on my heel, so when I go and press on the nose, my board doesn't roll away. If I put my whole foot on the tail of the skateboard and I push just a little bit, my skateboard starts to move. This causes a lot of people to fall. Having the balls of my foot on the tail, I then begin to put my front foot up. This is where you need to commit to leaning forward and tucking down before you try to push and slam your front wheels on the ground. I want you to use a combination of your body weight and a tucking down motion to allow your knees to bend so that you can be bent down right when your front wheels touch the ramp. So notice, as I pull my front foot up, I start to lean forward first and tuck down before I slam down. This keeps my body bent down so that I can slowly stand up as I drop in. That slow stand-up motion is gonna cause me to gain extra acceleration. This is what I call snapping out. Here's your demonstration of a snap out. As I'm tucked down and my knees are bent going down the ramp, I'm gonna snap my body weight up quick and hard to create more acceleration, just like this. Now, you don't need to use your arms for this. I like to use my arms just to exaggerate. As we do this all together in one smooth motion, I start to lean forward, tuck down. Right when my front wheels touch, I continue to bend down and then spring my body weight up and forward to help me change direction from going down to across. Now, one more thing, when to snap out. And you're gonna snap out either on a quarter pipe or a bank ramp where the transition changes to flat. So wherever the ramp starts to change into flat bottom, that's when you're gonna snap out and lift your body weight up, throwing your body weight forward to help you get that weight to transfer across the ground. I want you to just put your wheels, those 6 inches behind the edge of the ramp. Okay, that looks perfect. Okay, now your front foot goes up, and I want you to treat this the same as when you drop off a curb. Remember, right when your wheels drop off the curb and touch the flat bottom, you need to continue to bend down to change direction, provide suspension, and absorb that impact. So this is the same thing. When you continue to bend down, it allows you to be gentle into your pump down the ramp. So go ahead, put your front foot up. 1, 2, 3. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna back it up. Let's do it on flat ground. Now I want you to try to put your front wheels down as gentle as possible and continue to bend those knees. Continue to bend your body weight down. Perfect, Troy. Did you feel how smooth and comfortable that was? Right? There's barely any impact on those front wheels. Okay, so
slam.
Yeah, there's no real slam. So this is the big practice that everybody needs to do to smooth out their drop-ins. So do that one more time for me. That was good.
And I'm gonna do about what I did the first time?
As gentle as possible.
Yeah, I just went slap.
As gentle as possible. Dude, that was fantastic, man. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the top of the bank. It's literally gonna feel the exact same as what you did right there.
Okay.
The only mind trick here is the bank. And I know that plays a significant part in everybody's fear.
Yeah.
But the reality is right when you touch those wheels down, your board's gonna be stalled out for a second. So you have time to allow yourself to bend down. And as you keep bending down, you'll feel your back wheels start to roll over the edge. Continue to bend down as you ride down that ramp. Remember everyone, your pump needs to match the distance of the ramp. So as your front wheels touch, continue to bend down. Yeah, dude, that was so much better. So how did that feel?
Felt smoother.
Yeah, see?
Smoother and faster.
Not only that, but you can also hear, the smoothness, and you can hear and feel that nice clean pump as you ride down the ramp. Try not to pass the front bolts, because when you have your front foot up on the nose, if your head passes your front foot just a little bit, that gives you that extra leverage to nosedive and then go flying over the front of your board. Try to add a snap out as you transition from the bank to the flat bottom. Perfect.
All right.
Proud of you, man. That was great.
Thanks.
Look at how your back foot is right now. You need to have the heel hanging out,
Yeah.
because then you can
Was I like that?
see, because look, put your front foot up. Now look, go ahead, put weight. See, so if I just go like this a little bit, you're just gonna move your whole board.
Yeah, I see what
halfway,
you're saying.
right there, heavy on your heel. Put all your weight on that back foot right now.
Okay.
So look, if I try to move this, it's a lot harder. Look, see?
Yeah.
And that allows you the stability to put your front foot up and maybe even press on the front just a little bit, and it stays like a statue, right? But if you put that whole foot on, you're gonna start moving and rolling, and you lose your balance and typically slam. It does. It's more stable, exactly. So go ahead.
To, like, balancing.
Yeah, so go ahead, put your front foot up right now. Take your deep breath. Remember, start to tuck down and lean forward at the same time. As you lean in, you'll take weight off that back foot.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. There you go. There you go. So a little hesitant at first, but now you feel that tipping point. So go ahead, try this again.
Okay.
And give me a good commitment, like you're dropping in on a quarter pipe.
So weird having half my foot off.
Dude, don't worry about it. It's not gonna matter.
Okay.
Into your tuck. That's it. Good job, dude.
All right, man.
Good job. You want to try it on the quarter pipe?
Sure.
Hey,
so used to having my whole foot on the board. Right
I know, dude. Build trust. Take your deep breath. Build trust, man. I got you. Okay.
Right.
Remember, you're committing to tucking down and into your bend
How
down.
deep of a tuck are we talking about?
Keep going down to match the distance of the ramp. Good job. We can smooth that out some more. Remember to start to bend down and lean forward into your slam. 1, 2, 3, tuck, 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 tuck. That's better. That's better. Just a little bit harder. That was really good, dude. We just got to get you to do more power faster, okay? Because your window of opportunity is small with a tiny little quarter pipe. So you got to get that tuck into your drop in and then snap out fast because it's such a short distance. That's better. I'm proud of you, man. That was good.
Yeah.
Here's the next little tip. I keep the ball of my foot on the tail, just as I've been explaining. I use my front foot. Look at where my board is positioned to the coping. I put my front foot up without even looking. I slide my back wheels over, right? And then I put my front foot up and I feel where my feet are. Then I can tuck down and drop in. Now, obviously, I'm not asking everybody to do this. I'm just trying to prove a point here. So I'm feeling where my back foot is on the tail, just like a musical instrument, right? You don't have to watch it all the time. You can start to feel without looking. I make sure my foot's where I want it to be, and then I step up by the coping and slide it over. I want everybody to notice where my feet are in relation to the coping. This is how you want to start to drop in as you get better, so you can drop in fast. I step up right behind the coping, I slide my board over the edge, and I'm going to do this again in slow motion. Notice that I don't drag my tail when I do this. That allows me to get a nice little bump. If the coping sticks up a lot, you can press on the tail and give it a tiny little pop, just like this. So I go like this, look. Then into my drop in. Slide it up and over the coping. That's it. Don't move it. Stand perfect. Front foot goes up and tuck into your drop in. Yeah, Troy. That's the pro skater way, buddy. Fantastic.
All right.
Fantastic today, dude. I'm proud of you, man. You're out here practicing all the time. I hope everybody else watching and wanting to do this kind of stuff is doing the same. Thanks so much for letting me film this today, man. I really appreciate it, and I hope it helps a ton of people. Keep practicing your drop-ins, everyone, and meet me back here for another edition of Skatepark Lessons.
Thanks, Josh.
And remember, everyone, we got a whole library of videos to help you. Please share them with your friends, subscribe, like this video if it inspired you or helped you, and meet me back here for another episode of Skatepark Lessons. Take your deep breath right now, focus on your feet, pay attention to what you're doing. Before you drop in, I want you to look out there and make sure nobody's in your way. Front foot goes up, start to tuck, 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 big commit. That's it. Remember, set your back foot so you're on the balls of your feet more. There you go. Front foot goes up. Good. Remember, tuck down. Start tucking, 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 tucking. That's it. Good job. Remember, exaggerate that tuck. Start bending down. You could do this. That's it. Way to hang on to that, Patrick. That's right.
That felt sketchy.
Feel yourself tuck into your lean. That's it. Woo! What's up? Woo! You can do it. Remember, big tuck, big pump. That's it. Woo! Take your time this time. Nice deep breath into your tuck. That's it. Good job, man. Thank you. Say bye.